Hi YouTube and welcome back to my channel. It's Demograffix aka Dirty Dems, and today I'm down in Hemel Hempstead painting this subway behind me. So I'm going to be working on this scaffold tower, doing some signage lettering just above the entrance to the subway. Right guys, so I got caught in a bit of a shower, started chucking it down. As you can see, it's made the paint a little bit watery on the first coat and it's sort of dripped down the side of the wall. So I'm going to use these rags and just sort of dry it off, see if I can get some of it off with the rags. But yeah, unfortunately in the UK we have to deal with this unpredictable weather and the sun is shining again, so hopefully be able to do another coat, pull it back and then start spraying. Right guys, so I'm on top of the scaffold tower. This is the second coat. I'm going to give it probably 5-10 minutes to dry and I'll do a third coat and then I can start doing the actual spraying. So yeah, it's getting there, and we have a little break in the clouds, so hopefully that lasts for us. Right guys, so it's just gone midday, started pissing it down again with rain. I've got most of the outline on there now, so I've done the doodle grid. It's had 3 coats. I've just got to cover up some of the doodle grid in this corner here and then I can start colouring it in, but we need this weather to go away, this annoying English weather. But yeah, if it carries on like this it's going to halt the whole production. So that's it for today guys. Didn't get to do the cutting back with the green around the edge of the letters. The letters are on there now. But yeah, on day 2 I'm going to go back round with the green. There's just no point doing it now because the weather looks a bit dodgy and it could rain, it could drip all the way through the letters, so I don't want to ruin all that hard work and have to do the colours again. So we're going to leave it as it is, come back on a dry day and just cut round with the green. Right guys, quick update. This is day 2. It's been raining again today, but we've got this first side looking good, and I've been working on the other side. I've got the green mulch on there, got the outline on there. So the last bit is just filling in the colours. Got about 2 hours hopefully before the rain starts, and I'll hopefully get those letters filled in the next couple of hours. We got to the end of the video, finished. Luckily it didn't rain. Cut back around the letters. It's slightly at a tilt, but it's not too noticeable. It's not too bad considering I've been working against the elements and in a rush. The guys actually wanted to pack up at 1:45 or 2:30 so they could return the scaffolding, so I was against the clock as well today. So I was against the clock today, but yeah, we managed to get it done. So if you've liked this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Peace.